Yeah? For Armed Forces Day. They've got loads of flags hanging up in here, look. It's quite cool, isn't it? That's cool, isn't it? So, do you want to go in this truck? Look. Do you want to go up? Oh, that's a big step. Can you reach up there? What's that? What are you doing now? Oh, you got a photo, alright. Wow. And there's one here, look, the spare tyre. That's the spare tyre. Yeah. Careful.
It's alright, they're designed to be kicked over.
There's nothing in there, babe.
You can use those if you want to shoot the sides. The laser weapons on the end.
Oh yeah. Do you think I should have a look at those?
Can hit? Oh, we've got to go up.
That would be a great idea.
That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Jump it on. Into the circle. I think you're on. That's it. When it's made to hitting it.
And the speaker part is here.
The real ones don't have speakers, unfortunately.
And then taken out to the front line where they were needed. And not just horses, we needed mules as well for carrying ammunition since food became fairly fixed in 1915. The cavalry played an absolutely vital role, not only in finding out where the enemy was, but preventing the enemy from knowing where you were.
It's not the right.
Very good. Did it last time?
So you have to get the duck. So you see there's ducks in water there.
Yeah, we have to have one of those.
Where'd you put the blue flashing lights on, Zack?
And that works with the side.
If you press that one, it says 9, press that, see if it comes on.
Yeah, like, look, this is where you can eat the air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
We need that in the light today.
Yeah, definitely.
That's where you can face it when it's hot inside. And
Yeah, well, we'd have that running today, I think.
Yeah. What was that? Look, the blue lights are going.
Hopefully.
They are.
Is that the fun?
that's
Can you see it there?
Just like your toys at home.
just like in the gecko without this.
Yeah, look.
Yes, and
Wowza.
so
Get the
sometimes the
lights.
ambulance can get very dirty.
Yeah, they can do.
Yeah, without the spray. You must be on for that and it says 999.
Did you hear the radio?
That was good, wasn't it? It was worth coming out for, wasn't it? The ambulance.
And about how do you find
That smells nice. So, have a look down there, look. There's people inside this water tank. Scuba diving. Yeah, look. Imagine that.
It's okay.
Lots of stuff to go and see. Yeah. Hello, mate. You alright? You good? Yeah. Come on this way.
You could drive that one, mate. So yeah. Like it?
I'm going to take a photo.
Can you also say how does it move?
You tell me. Stay seated. Smile.
That's it. Well done, Zack.
City bricks.
I want to show me how bricks it is.
Look, come here, look. Moody lady, yeah? That's fast man. That's all right. And then you're going to mix it up.
Can we start to put it
Drop it down on the side, and take the shower at the top, squeeze through right side. Take the grip, pop it on top, push down, and then you're going to cut the leftovers out. Push that, pull off, you can get it, have the side like that, do it like that. Either which way you want. Left or right, either or. We'll have a go. Yeah. Next to that one.
Well done.
Remember, we've got to put a little bit more
Line
there
it up with that one, haven't you?
on this side. You can put it on there. Put the brick up, yeah, and then you can put a little bit of this either on the inside of that or on the brick. By the way, yeah, just be 2 seconds. Just clear everything up. Straight up to the brick there, and then just come up straight, yeah? Literally, swipe down, put it all out. Yeah, right on the other side. Now put it all out of the way. The bubble wants to be in between their black lines. So you need to hit this side a little. Yeah, now can you see that? Line up another brick.
Yeah, I should try that.
Remember, it's the same process as the ones you got to hit the nut, put it down, and then put the brick on you.
Done. Can I want to touch it?
Yeah, just gently though, gently.
Not hard.
It might have not been fair.
Not hard though.
It's not a toy, is it?
If you
I think it's doing it. Go closer, Zach.
Zach, go really close. Zach, go really close.
Go closer.
Closer, closer. Keep going
Closer.
Closer. Closer. That's it, that's enough. Go on then. Look where you're throwing.
Go, grab another one. Grab another one. Zach, can you get another one? Cheers.
Zach, do you want another one?
Zach, grab another one.
Hang on, wait for the man who's there yet. Right, go on, Zach.
Go on, then, Zach, go close. Whoa!
Let's touch it.
No, you're not allowed to touch it. No, definitely not. Wasn't it?
Good video then.
Yeah, there's more stuff than I thought there was going to be today. It's lovely, really good. Not done one of these before.
Yeah, lots of stuff to do.
Lots of stuff for the kids as well. That's what I was wondering whether they would have anything.
Yeah. Most of it was for kids to try.
Yeah.
Play with guns, make bricks.
He loved the bricks, didn't he?
He did, yeah.
Oh.
Can I spell my name with me?
See you later.